In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up, create Insightly CRM account. To get started, open your web browser and go to insightly.com. Make sure you are on the official Insightly website so you land on the correct product and sign up page. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Try CRM Free and click it. This will take you into the account creation flow for Insightly CRM, where you can start a free trial or set up your workspace before choosing a plan. Next, you will be asked to choose how you want to sign up. You can select Sign up with Google or Sign up with Microsoft. Pick the option that matches the account you use for work, because this is the account you will use to sign in later. If you manage CRM access for a team, it is usually best to choose the account tied to your organization rather than a personal account. After you choose Google or Microsoft, a sign-in and authorization screen will appear. Follow the prompts to sign in and then review the permissions that Insightly is requesting. These permissions are what allow Insightly to connect to your selected account for login and basic setup. Approve the permissions to continue. If you have more than one account signed in, double-check you are authorizing the correct one before confirming. Once authorization is complete, you will move to a quick setup form. Here, enter your company name, select your industry, and provide a phone number. Use your real company details so Insightly can tailor parts of the experience, such as templates and onboarding suggestions. For the phone number field, enter a valid number you can access, since some services use it for account-related communication. Take a moment to review what you typed for accuracy, especially the company name, because it often becomes the default name for your CRM workspace. When you are ready, click Finish or Let's Go, depending on what the button shows on your screen. This completes the sign-up process and takes you into your new Insightly CRM account, where you can begin exploring the dashboard and setting up your contacts and sales pipeline. And that is all there is to it.